Hey guys, well today's lesson is on relating number sequences to graphs. So basically what you're going to be doing is putting the algebraic expression into a table of values and using that to plot it on a graph. So you all remember ordered pairs. So if you have a table of values, for example, I'll use the one over here. Okay, so the term number is 1 in this particular case, and the term value is 6. So the ordered pair for this particular table of values, the first ordered pair is 1 and 6. So then you'd go to your graph down below here, and if you notice here, that says term value, and the bottom, which is kind of cut off, says term number. So the first ordered pair that we're going to plot on our graph, the term number is 1. So along the bottom, you would go over to 1. And then the term value is 6. So you'd go up to 6. And if you notice, so it's kind of hard for me to circle on here, but I've just circled where the first ordered pair should be. So if you follow along the bottom to 1 and up to 6, it's a red dot. And that is the first way we plot, or the first plot for the ordered pair in that particular table of values. The next ordered pair would be 2 and 11. So again, we'd go over along the bottom of our graph where it says term number to the first number in the pair, which is 2. So you go over to the 2, and then the second number in the ordered pair is 11. So you go all the way up to 11. And that is the second ordered pair there. The third ordered pair is 3 and 16. So again, you go over to the bottom on your graph to 3, you go up to 16, and that's your third point, etc., etc. So this particular question is saying that there's 3 different patterns going on here. So there's pattern A, there's pattern B, and there's pattern C. And the question is asking you which pattern belongs to which scatter plot line. One is red, one is blue, and one is green. So this one is red here. This one is blue. And let me just find the green. And that one is green. Okay, and we have to figure out which one belongs to which. Now, the example that I just used, you know that the red actually belongs to pattern A because we can see the coordinates there. Well, what about pattern B, which reads 4n? I'm going to do it over here, 4n. So if we were going to turn 4n into a table of values, like that's our algebraic expression, we have term number here, we'll call it T number, and then term value. Now, as we know, N always stands for the term number, so term numbers always go here like that. So if the term number is 1, we take 4n, we substitute 1, 4 times 1 is 4. For the second term value, if we substitute n for 2, it would be 4 times 2, which would be 8. For the third term value, we would do 4, and we substitute 3 for n. 4 times 3, 12. And lastly, we'll just do number 4 there. If we substitute n for 4, for the fourth term number, 4 times 4 is 16. So now we got ourselves some ordered pairs. The first ordered pair is 1, 4. The second ordered pair is 2, 8. The third ordered pair, 3, 12. And 4, 16. So let's see, if we go to our graph, back to our graph, which, is it blue or is it the green line that shows the first ordered pair, 1 and 4? So if we go along the bottom to the 1 and up to 4, which would be right here, which number is that associated with? It's a little hard to tell in this video, but it's actually part of this line right there. Okay, let's just test out the second ordered pair just to be sure. The second ordered pair should be 2 and 8. Go along the bottom to 2 and go up to 8 and it's right there. And if we went along to this third ordered pair, 3 and 12, along the bottom to 3 and up to 12, it would be right there. So again, it's following this line right here, and that line is with blue. And let's just test out the third pattern, just so we can just do one more example. So the third pattern, if we look here, pattern C here, let's do a table of values. Again, just erasing a little more. So term number and term value. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see here. Let's see if we can figure out a particular pattern. So how many squares are in the first figure? Well, there is 5. In the second figure, there's 7, because there's 4 yellow, and then there's 3 orange. And in the third one, there is 6 yellow, and there's 3 orange. So there's 9, and we don't have a fourth figure there. So we know that it's increasing by 2. And if it's increasing by 2, well, actually, we don't even need to get to this point. We don't even have to come up with the algebraic expression. We've come up with a table of values. So we have our ordered pairs already. So we can just work with our ordered pairs here. 1, 5, 2, 7, 3, 9, and if we continue with this, it would be 4, 11. So let's just double check. Let's go over to our term number on our graph, go over to 1, and we should be going up to the 5 for the first ordered pair. That's right there. Second ordered pair is 2, 7, go over to the 2, up to the 7, which is there. Third ordered pair is 3, 9, go to the 3, up to the 9, which is there. So you can tell it's kind of following this pattern there. So we know that green is associated with pattern C. All right, and this is your key assessment question. Again, it's very similar to the example that I gave you. Match the algebraic expression with the color of its scatter plot. So you're using the graph. Be sure to make a table of values for A, B, and C, and then find the ordered pairs from that, and see if you can match it up with the colors on the scatter plot. Also, there will be an additional video that gives another kind of word problem that you're going to see on Monday. So you're going to need to watch both videos. All right, have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday.